Gertie! Gertie! Come get some food! Gertie! It's feeding time! Gertie! It's time to eat! Come get your food! You must be so hungry. You must be starving. Hold on. Right? Wait. Take it. I want to feed you. I want to give you life. Aha! Bear! Ah! Honestly, the fact that he will take food from her mouth is the interesting part, because it has taken me this long to get Gertie to do nothing. You must be so hungry. You want some food? Are you hungry too? Take it. Let me feed you. Let me give you life. I feel so close to you right now. There is a bond that cannot be broken. Yeah. Take it. Why won't you love me? So this is Wednesday night at the Diesel household. My dogs are gonna get taken away from me, aren't they? Anyways, well done, Alycia Silverstone. You have bested me again. How's that? Lay on the couch, eating frosted or Fruit Loops Ultra Late. Oh, how about if I pour them in my mouth? Oh, hold on, wait for it. This may be the best scene of the whole movie. Anyways, if you ever want to come over for breakfast, let me know. I don't think she's eating from my mouth.